Did you know that in the early 19th century, Europe was teetering on the brink of chaos, struggling to maintain peace after the Napoleonic Wars? At the heart of this turmoil were two influential British statesmen, Castlereagh and Canning. Despite their shared goals, their drastically different approaches to diplomacy played a crucial role in shaping British foreign policy and ultimately breaking the concert of Europe. Stick around as we dive into this riveting tale of political rivalry and its monumental impact on European history. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the intricate world of British diplomacy, focusing on how Viscount Castlereagh and George Canning's contrasting methods contributed to the unraveling of the Concert of Europe, a system designed to maintain stability in post-Napoleonic Europe. To understand their impact, let's briefly set the stage. Before 1813, Europe was obsessed with the balance of power, a system where nations sought to counter each other's expansions. This often led to endless conflicts and shifting alliances, exemplified by the Wars of Succession and the 7 Years' War. Napoleon's rise was a direct result of this chaotic system, as European powers tried to counter him with their old strategies, leading to a series of conflicts. Castlereagh's approach. In 1812, Viscount Castlereagh became the British Foreign Secretary. His approach was marked by diplomacy and a focus on building a stable European order. Castlereagh believed in creating a new system where cooperation would prevent future conflicts. His major triumph was the Treaty of Chaumont in 1814, which aimed for long-term peace and laid the groundwork for the Congress system. Castlereagh's style was pragmatic. He avoided overextending Britain's interests and worked to mediate European disputes impartially. His commitment to a balanced and stable Europe was crucial in maintaining peace, even if it meant making modest gains for Britain. Canning's approach. When George Canning took over in 1822, his style was a stark contrast. While Castlereagh had sought to integrate Britain into a cooperative European order, Canning was more aggressive and unilateral. Canning's policies reflected a desire to expand British influence without necessarily aligning with European norms. His recognition of Latin American republics and opposition to French intervention in Spain highlighted his commitment to assert British power. Canning's approach led to a more confrontational stance against the Holy Alliance, and his policies often clashed with the cooperative spirit of Castlereagh's system. This shift in approach contributed significantly to the breakdown of the Concert of Europe. The differences between Castlereagh and Canning had profound implications. Castlereagh's diplomatic efforts laid the foundation for a new European order, while Canning's more aggressive policies accelerated the decline of the Concert of Europe. This breakdown paved the way for future conflicts and a return to a more traditional balance of power politics. Understanding their rivalry helps us grasp why Britain, once a leader in diplomatic stability, shifted towards a more assertive and often contentious role in international relations. What do you think? Did Castlereagh's cooperative diplomacy or Canning's assertive approach better serve British interests and European stability? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into British diplomacy, don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical insights. The clash between Castlereagh and Canning was more than a personal rivalry. It was a pivotal moment that reshaped European diplomacy. While Castlereagh's vision aimed for a lasting peace, Canning's assertive policies signaled a shift away from the Concert of Europe. The legacy of their strategies reminds us of the complexities of international relations and the fine line between stability and discord. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.